Blaxx, not because you're here, but this is actually one of my favorite songs for the entire season.
Thank you, man.
I love the message. It is not just a regular jump and wave and the wine.
Well, you know that's not my thing.
Yeah, I know that.
Right?
Yeah.
This song was written by Problem Child.
Problem? Oh, serious?
Yeah, it's problem with this.
Problem, boy. You see problem?
Problem is a problem.
Yeah, problem is a problem.
You know, yeah, the day, and you know, he called me, say, Blaxx, hey, I feel you the man to sing this song. I say, send it.
Yeah.
When he sent it, I say, yeah, he's the man to sing it.
One in the bag. Boom.
What? This track bad. I love it.
This real bad, boy.
I love it. I love it.
People could relate to this.
Thank you, man.
People could relate to this, boy.
Thank you, man. I love it. I love it bad.
Yeah.
A matter of fact, all the music I do this year, I love it. Some are getting play, some getting play. You know how the thing just go.
Yeah.
I have a forum where my music could be heard also.
Yeah.
So I do 18 songs this year, you know.
Wow.
18.
18 songs.
And I wanted to come and bust one here tonight, you know.
How happen?
All right.
And what?
Hold on.
We not reach.
Hold on. We don't reach. We have our.
We not reach.
Please, hold on.
Send email.
That what we do?
Send email. And I sure Blaxx get one. Blaxx don't let go that tune.
Nah. And I ain't tell nobody about it, so it's a surprise.
All right. So guys, we have a world premiere tonight. Stateside, all courtesy Subway. All right, remember 4, 6 and subs for $89, and after 5 minutes free drinks at Subway 45 restaurants nationwide. Blaxx, what you love from the Subway?
With the one that's fall and heat.
That's the
Yeah, they.
It's the steak and cheese.
As a real Subway man.
Yeah, you love your Subway.
A serious Subway man.
I love the chicken teriyaki, you know.
Until the other day, I shouldn't say this, but I went in a Subway, right?
Yeah.
I found the veggies was looking. Right?
Yeah.
So I called for the manager.
Yeah.
The lady said, no, that's the veggies we have. I said, no, well, I don't want to have veggies. So I called for the lady. She said, hi, Blaxx, how you going? I said, good. I said, you know me? She said, yes, she's Blaxx. I said, well, I'm a serious Subway man.
Yeah.
I just eat Subway.
Yeah.
All over the world, man.
Yeah.
All over the world. I a veggie, man.
Yeah,
I eat green pepper just so. So I like plenty green peppers, plenty tomatoes, plenty cucumber. And the manager said, yes, Blaxx, we'll change it. And
you get sort out.
And I get sort out real nice.
Yeah.
Fresh veggies. Subway, big up yourself.
That's what we're talking about. Big up the Subway team. Whitney, Carey, Smooth in the building. 10 minutes after 7 o'clock coming up. I'm going to let you all know the question where you can actually call us up and you can win yourself a voucher. 4, 6 and subs, $89. And of course, free drinks. All right? Blaxx.
Yes, sir.
The most celebrated band. The most celebrated band in soca.
For real.
We're talking about Blaxx and the All-Stars. Music exhibition. We get ready Saturday, February 8th. It's all about Harmony 2.
Definitely.
I was there for the first one.
Great.
Mad.
And you was there?
Mad.
I was on stage hosting that.
Mad.
Oh, yeah. I forget again.
Mad.
I forgettable.
I really would like people to come and experience the experience we experienced last year.
No, well, who not coming? They're mad.
Well, tickets almost. I think it maybe have 12 more in cachet.
Are you going to replenish or that's it? When they sold?
No, that is it.
Okay.
That is it.
Pay by the door or dice it?
No paying by the door. You don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance. Get your ticket early because the ticket out long.
Let me give all a number to call one time. 269-7520. 269-7520. 7520 269. Call. Get your tickets one time for Harmony 2.
Yeah, that's Kevin. That's management. He will have.
Yeah, easy Kevin.
Kevin, what happening?
Kevin, big up yourself, man.
Them guys rehearsing right now.
Where's he? You know he always busy.
Where who?
Kevin.
Band room.
Yeah, they buy the band room right now. I leave the band room. I leave rehearsal.
Yeah.
We're preparing for the concert. We're preparing for Army. We're preparing for a lot of things. You know, we have Republic Bank shows, so we're preparing for all that.
Blaxx, if it's one thing too, we have to say about Blaxx and the All-Stars. You know, some people, sometimes they do not have a big song or a popular song. But Blaxx and the All-Stars, fully booked.
Every year.
Fully booked.
Every year.
Don't make it so
No, we have to deal with the reality, Blaxx.
Right. Facts.
Fully booked.
Facts.
Fully booked.
For the past, I don't want to blight myself. I'm a band, but for the past 15 years we have been.
See what I mean?
We try now to, well, we actually pushing the concert.
Yeah.
Right? So we try now, the guys getting old.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? To cut down on the amount of jobs.
Wow.
You know what I mean? Because, brother,
it's pressure.
It's pressure. But I love it. And the guys and them love it. Because the talk is, if they don't feel that pressure, something wrong.
Yeah, something
yeah.
wrong, something wrong.
Something wrong. So they, hey, or they leave we.
Yeah.
We talk in the band is kill me with work.
Yeah, it's worse when you don't
Kill
have
me
it, you know,
with
it's
what?
Kill me
depressing.
with work. You understand? So this year, really and truly, I want to add a little tribute to Mr. Roy Cape.
Yeah.
Of course.
Because that's the man who school all that. We
Yeah.
school a lot of artists.
Yeah.
You know, so this year we want to kind of swing it on Papi's side.
I like
and
that.
show him some love. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We inherit that from him, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
Inherit
yeah.
everything from him. I inherit dealing with youths from Papi.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
Papi does always say, man, we can't go to the grave with the thing. In
Yeah.
order for the thing to go for smooth, to run hard, we
Yeah.
gotta pass on.
And you wouldn't believe Blaxx, like, you know, sometimes we in different zones and we different conversation and stuff like that. And that's one thing people will say about you, you know. Blaxx is a man does give the youths and them a chance, you know. You might have
Let's try.
an aggressive way of dealing with them.
Yeah, I'm very aggressive.
But it's all for the betterment.
Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't quarrel and cuss you.
Yeah.
And if I don't really, I don't have no interest in it. If I
Yeah.
don't like your vibes, I
Yeah.
don't like your talent.
You wouldn't say anything.
And you don't
Oh,
mean
sure,
nothing
man.
by it. That's just your way.
That's just me, man.
Like my father, when I was learning to drive with, the man tell me the language here is cuss.
Yeah.
He ain't mean nothing by it?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
well, smooth that why I get to it.
Wow.
That's why I get
Okay.
That's why I get to
Okay.
it. Yeah, that does work.
Ah.
It does work.
Now that's working as
But
well.
I mean, with regards to, you know, Blaxx, you always bring in young artists, you know, to mold and groom vocally. But what about your musicians? Do you all do the same for?
We definitely. Everybody will say Blaxx, right? Because as the front man, as the man heading the line.
Yeah.
Every single member of the band contribute.
Okay.
Every single member. Because I mean, if like this guy here, right here, Nature B from St. Kitts,
Yeah.
right? If I bring him in, yeah, cool, nice. Oh, this is Nature B. And next one Blaxx. Oh God, Blaxx. And next one, yeah. When I put he there, I gone.
Yeah.
So now we are dealing
In
with
the
the
fire.
musician.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
understand? So now them fellas, hey, do this, do that. I get that too. So,
Yeah.
Let's just you know, list a couple of the artists that came out under the Blaxx camp. Ola.
That's
Well,
true.
well, not only the camp, we have, you know, I've had influence in fellas like Second Star.
Yeah.
I just go to the end.
Yeah.
I mean, like Pretty,
For
pull
sure.
up your pants, Pretty. Pull up your pants.
Yeah.
He's an artist now.
Yeah.
Ola, clean your teeth, bro. Ola, so God, you're
Yeah.
afraid to smile now.
Yeah,
you know, so
yeah.
I just go, you know, I always involved. Aston
Yeah.
Isaac, I always on the case. Chingy, I always on the case.
Well,
you know what I mean?
you brought Vaughn to a place
Well,
where, you
Vaughn
know,
was a special project. You know, I worked with Vaughn from since he's 16.
Yeah.
Right.
And when it was time for Vaughn wrote 2 mad songs. Well,
Yeah.
3. A Power, Girl Owner, and Trouble in the Morning.
Yeah.
Send it for me. Uncle, what you think? Love that. Alright? Uncle, Trouble in the Morning is yours. No, Vaughn, that is yours.
Yeah.
That is song to bust your uncle. I like Girl Owner.
Yeah.
Vaughn, try and listen.
Yeah.
Vaughn take Trouble in the Morning. And we had
You
that
ran with it.
conversation every morning. Thank you, Uncle. Uncle, thank you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
So it's not one. It's you know, we have Destra that passed through the band. And before this, we had Trini Jacobs.
yes,
we had-
Chief, look at that.
Way back, boy.
We had
Kizzy. Yeah,
plenty.
Kizzy was there.
Plenty.
Now you have Leonce in the mix.
No Leons. You know, who again? Ola. Ola was a handful.
Yeah.
But we know, we definitely know, I personally believe that Ola is the most talented young artist we have in Trinidad.
No. Ola very bad enough.
Yeah, I personally believe it. We
Can't
have a
knock
lot.
that at all.
Yeah,
we have
Ola.
a lot, but
And
personally,
he
yes,
different.
voice different also too.
Yeah.
But I personally believe that Ola, you know, and then when you watch Second Star, when he came to join the band, Ricardo did not come.
Yeah.
No audition had finished that day. We had people line up wrong the all kind of man in WhatsApp, boots, WhatsApp. All kind of people come, you know, and the advice was, Juice was just giving out advice. Look, take this number, go by Fridge, do some voice training. Take this number, go by Tambo, do some voice training. You need to do this, you need to do that. We didn't take nobody.
Yeah.
And Ricardo walked in to bring a song from there. So Lion Ball You come to audition? Here, Ricardo. Oh, they have audition?
Yeah.
And Ricardo all the time, from the time he starts singing Lion Say, that the trumpet man, so
Yeah.
you're hired. Just after Ricardo,
Second come.
second start walking.
We.
So, good boy, Blaxx. But I already offer the position to Pretty.
Yeah.
Pretty say, Uncle, I mean, I want my own band. You know,
Oh,
Pretty that,
yeah.
Pretty that different dude,
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
what I mean? And second start came for 3 years. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
For 3 years.
Sit down for 3 years. Sit down as the second comes, sit down, watch, you will learn. And I so proud of that boy.
Yeah, look where he is now.
yeah.
Look where he is now.
I'm proud of all of them, Jay.
Yeah.
I can remember Voice. Voice was Voice wrote a song for me. And when you studio, I catching my thing, because you know Voice could sing.
Yeah.
You feel like could sing, Voice could sing. And when I hear the man going in the booth and put on the part, and he come out and say, yo, what don't say me? Me, uncle.
Yeah.
I say, yeah. And I bring Voice, put him on the stage. And a lot of people say, oh, you're bringing whip to cut your tail. People don't see it.
Yeah.
They don't
Yeah.
see down the road.
Yeah,
So me
yeah,
and bother
yeah.
with them. And so said, he cut my tail.
Tail.
So I'm all right. But that's all right.
But
That's
it's
all right.
it's a proud moment to see, you know.
Yeah. And one of the artists, when he performing, that I just really stand up and marvel is Ola boy.
Ola.
Yeah.
I think we'll have a special place in your heart, you know.
I just watch that guy. And say, wow, this. Vaughn too, eh?
Yeah.
Vaughn come after. And look, my little youth here. Stand up with the arms full, come the man, come in the camera.
He's from St. Vincent,
He's some St. Kitts.
St. Kitts.
Saint Kitts, introduce yourself, bro.
Good night,
Introduce
good night.
yourself.
Well, good night to everybody. My name is Nicho B from
Hi.
St. St. Nevis.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm one of the farmers, so come and ask also.
Mm.
I'm just doing the same thing as Blaxx was explaining to you, sitting around, learning,
Yeah.
growing, just being a part of the whole All Stars family. It's just amazing feeling for me. And it's a pleasure being here. I'm very grateful for the opportunity. And I ain't got no words to explain what Blaxx doing for me right now, but I'll be one of the new faces for the All Stars in the future. But
Yeah.
until then, I'm just doing my groundwork.
Yeah, man.
Putting in
you know,
that work.
Yeah, doing the right thing. You know,
You're in
'cause-
good hands, bro.
Yeah, I know that.
It doesn't get better than that.
Yeah, so
No,
you'll
no,
be
no.
seeing you soon.
Make
Yeah.
you sight, eh?
All right, give me back my
Make you sight, bro.
Oh
Make
God,
you
the
sad
Blaxx, I can't
because
stand it.
It's how-
It's really a joy for me to see young
Yeah.
ones on the next level.
It's how people Blaxx will pay how much ever money to come and sit down in that band room to watch you guys just to
Boy,
learn.
I
You
don't
know.
know now.
Telling you, you know.
I never really sent out a blast or anything saying that I just school young artists or help young artists. But that's from Cayman Island.
Yeah.
Youth schooling me from St. Vincent, from where you're Nevis.
Yeah.
Mr. Blaxx, we need some help. And need
Yeah.
some this and need some last. And yeah, another guy from Cayman called me. What do you think about this? Well, I had to tell him it's nice.
Yeah.
You know, I can't,
But Blaxx,
yeah, I had to tell him
Blaxx,
it's nice.
oh wow.
But when I realized, so what you doing with this snake? Because he want to get into soca. So how this snake good? I said, so he stay on the kid go, pack, poop, pack. I said, here what? Take this number. Give him over me number.
Yeah.
Over me Bacano.
Yeah.
He young like you. At this hour the night I was sleep.
Call him. We'll
You-
be up.
And the next morning, the man sent a song, I sent a rhythm. We listen it.
Bad. Now them youths are them saying thing out
The
there.
opportunity. I hear a lot of people say, oh, that nobody don't give the youths opportunity. I don't know if they're blind, but a lot of artists in Trinidad give some youths opportunity.
Yeah.
The problem with us have some of the youths that get disrespectful.
Yeah,
After
and
the
yeah.
first song.
And you have to kick them out.
You know what?
So
I
that gets
just
well-headed.
turned my back on
Yeah,
them. You know
yeah.
what I mean? And some of the youths that get disrespectful, you know what I mean? But a lot of youths getting help here.
Yeah.
Plenty.
No, but
Yeah,
look,
yeah.
look at people like you mentioned that was, you know, under the camp. When I say that, where you were grooming them and helping
Yeah.
them, like Pretty and Second, and they are literally, when you see them doing shows and their shows, they bring people who are way younger than them on their sets.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they learn from you, at least that you're giving them those opportunities to learn the craft a little bit more, be around some of the artists like yourself, and, you know, grow even further.
And
Yeah,
actually,
definitely.
that is exactly what Pretty did with his show.
Yeah, you
What?
did that.
Pretty gave a lot of young
Young
artists,
people, yeah.
including myself,
Well, boy, I
a platform to come and sing your tune.
had to give a lot of artists a round of applause.
Yeah.
And I think now the young artists kind of showing,
Yeah, boy, they're different.
they kind of showing the older ones the camaraderie, the love.
Yeah,
You
we could
understand?
support each other.
When I went Nyla show, and I thank God, I still thank God, although I'm not a young man, but I still thank God that the youth just recognize me. I was in Nyla show, I was in Urban show, I was in Voice show. I could not make second star, I was in Pretty show.
Yeah.
And when I watch what Nyla doing, I already so early in Chicory.
Crazy.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Mind blowing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
When you watch what second star doing, when I watch my son Urban doing, love that boy, bad.
Yeah.
Bad. Well, I say, we ain't come here to talk about that. But he
will get there.
No, he done there. He done
That
there.
fella, it's
That fella's
monsters, you know.
different. You don't understand, some of the youths coming into the music coming more prepared than the older ones.
Right.
He was trial and error.
Yeah.
These guys come
Fly
with,
by night and
these guys come with degree
Yeah.
in music. Voice have a degree in theatre arts. Ola was cool in London.
In
School
London
of
Arts,
Yeah, yeah,
correct.
You know what I mean? So these fellas coming in prepared.
Right.
Yeah.
And have the
prepared.
business lined up the
Of
same
course.
year.
So this year, Harmony 8 will feature a lot of young people.
Turn up the volume now.
On your belly. Ready now. Yeah. Hear me now. I never bad mind nobody yet. And if you realize, pull me down, if you realize, this is the real voice. You're hearing the identical thing.
yeah.
This is real singer here. This is not when you record a tune and you put on all your thing.
Nah, no
And then
auto-tune,
when you come on Subway to bust it, your voice song is different to the tune.
Yeah.
Well, listen. Ready now. Yeah. Hear me now. I never bad mind nobody yet. I never fight down nobody, nah. I never try soft nobody breath. That is not in my nature, no. I never see people with them things and vex them my fate, especially when they work hard for it. But it have some people, soon as you walk through your door, they put a something blocking on your road. They practice evil, they think we don't know. And some of them close to you. See what they're telling you.
Enemies on the borderline. Hola, man. Subway stateside. Blaxx live.
Ready now. Yeah. Hear me now. I never bad mind nobody yet. I never fight down nobody, nah. I never try to up nobody. I would have never tuned this tune, if it wasn't true. This is me.
Yeah.
Me don't fight down, me don't jump, me nobody,
Yeah,
me don't jump, me
Blaxx.
no vibes. But they call me soca police. When they step over the bounds, I'm going to deal with you.
Yeah.
To your door, I'm going to something knocking on your road. They practice evil. They think we don't know. And some of them close to you. I'm telling ya, enemies on the borderline. We not blind, we don't spot them long time. Yes, enemies on the borderline. Enemies on the borderline. So remove yourself. We don't want to fight from them. We don't want to drink from them. We don't want to drink from them. So remove yourself. We don't want to fret from them. We don't want to drink from them. We don't want to drink from them. Tune. Taking it back to the early days of Calypso.
That's how the crowd just go for real. They're just balling. I'm telling you, Blaxx.
You make them feel good, boy.
They just
And I really love this.
ball.
I really love this.
And then they just started to sing this part.
If you feel it,
Like a bite of chili.
now you like that one too. You like that one too. Mevon and the guys that put this together. This is all on rhythm.
Yeah.
With our Turner, Ola, Rome.
Yeah.
The guys that put this together. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Very
Bad,
sweet.
bad,
One
bad.
of my favorite young artists on it too. Thank. Turn up, big up yourself.
If you're feeling like a bite of chili, only vibes I bring it. I wanna rock and sway like Cambole, so I come in with my hands I'm swinging. Only vibes I bring in. Tell Jean and Dinah, come off the corner, boy. This is a fete to remember, boy. Once you could wine, you could enter, boy. And if you can't wine, to step with a partner, boy. The spirit of freedom take over, boy. So when you hear the music, surrender, boy. Just have to walk in the center. I want you to walk in the center. Don't fret to move, you move along. Show them you know it. You don't know what is this? What's this?